The dollar which was going to 167.
Thutha wa icera ria kiumia kimwe icigo-ini cia Nyanza na Gatũrũ ka ũhoro arĩ mambũra ma madaraka kaunti-inĩ ya Homa Bay, President William Ruto nĩagomanĩtie ateti na ataaramu a honge itiganĩte kuma kaunti ya Siaya thingira-inĩ wa IREGI matongoretio nĩ Gavana James Orengo ũrĩa kwa ihinda ũkoretwo akĩoneka gũtaganĩria harĩ kũnyita mbaru thirikari ya ũrũmwe gatagatĩ ga President Ruto na mũtongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga.
Our production of
icera rĩrĩ President augĩte nĩ rĩa ũthii wa na mbere. Thirikari ĩtanyĩte kũigithia bilioni 1 sekta-inĩ ya ũtonga wa maĩ nĩ gĩcukĩro-inĩ kĩa Usenge Pier, kũrĩa oho kaunti ĩno ĩtanyĩte kũgunĩka na thoko 16 cia mũigana wa bilioni 2.6.
We kicked out the cartels in the coffee. Just imagine it was being controlled by a few people. The same person was the farmer, the same person was the miller, the same person was the broker, and the same person was buying the coffee at the exchange. We've since broken that cartel. At the fall of the hammer, when the coffee is sold at the exchange, same day, the farmer gets their money.
Ndugu ĩno njerũ ya Orengo na Ruto na ĩkĩmataga ũteti wa mĩhehu no ũrario makĩria kuona Orengo mũthenya wa ira nĩ aracemania na minister wa kĩgĩna John Mbadi.
We don't double speak as people of Siaya and people of my region. When we say one thing, that is what we mean, and we don't mean anything else. If we say we are in broad-based government, we are in broad-based government, we are working, and the principles have been established. So this is not time for us to be talking too much. Let us work. Let us work and work together, because development fears noise.
This is a very important opportunity we have as people of Siaya and as a Luo community, that we should really take advantage of it and ensure that in the end we substantially gain. I can tell you, my people, that this opportunity I had, Your Excellency, which after the concurrence, you gave the concurrence after Baba nominated me to work with you, I have seen things that I had never imagined. My people, development projects are not gifts, they are grabbed.
Agia atongoria arĩa mauma gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ nĩ minister wa thitima na mahinya mangĩ Opiyo Wandayi, PS Ouma Oluga, mũmbunge Otiende Amolo gatagatĩ ka angĩ.
As you are aware, we have had to look for alternative sources of raising money to do our roads. We have a good plan for the roads. I have asked the Minister Davis to sit down with the governor and with the members of parliament so that we agree on the program, and Atandi is aware